Hey folks, Jason here at Fishtank. I want to talk today about Next.js feature support on different Next.js hosting providers. Specifically, how is this going to help you choose a provider for your XM Cloud project? Now, I want to start off by giving a huge shout out to Thomas Desmond, a former colleague and now over at Cloudflare, who did a great series of videos looking at a whole bunch of different providers and how they support Next.js features. Definitely check out his video series if you want to go a little bit deeper and see some of the details as he analyzes those different ones. But I'm going to give a quick run through on what I thought were the big wins and the big losses. Unsurprisingly, Vercel has a great Next.js feature support. Since they build Next.js, not really surprised by that. Netlify, though, a little bit behind in terms of the timeline getting stuff out there, but it works really well. The Next.js features all seem to function really well, and everything you're going to need seems to be there. AWS Amplify and Azure App Services both had issues. Amplify is pretty good overall, but there were some issues inside of the ISR. Azure App Services, while it technically has all the Next.js features, seems to have some issues with ISR. And it also seems to have just a worse developer experience overall. You have to roll a lot of your own things that just comes out of the box with the other providers. Overall, not the best experience, but maybe you could make it work. Azure Static Web Apps seem to be pretty good on Next.js 13. Next.js 14 is lagging a little bit. All in all, probably not the right choice. It's still a bit in preview. It feels like it's still feeling its way. So maybe pass on this one for now for Next.js. Now, Cloudflare pages. Straight from Thomas Desmond, who now works at Cloudflare, says he does not recommend running Next.js on Cloudflare pages. When Thomas was looking at this, he found there was no image optimization. The API routes were missing. You had to do server-side routes as edge runtime routes. In general, Cloudflare might be working to get better Next.js support, so maybe watch here for the future, but right now, maybe it's a pass. If we look at Google's Firebase app hosting, this one's also one where maybe you should take a pass. The preview release status of it means it's not great for production deployments. Next.js 13 is probably where you're going to be working. 14 doesn't seem to work so well, and image optimization doesn't appear to be there out of the box. So even if those two features you didn't need, trying to go live on a preview environment, probably not the best choice right now as you're going up to XM Cloud. This type of Next.js feature support is rapidly changing at the different providers. You need to be ready to go and test them out with some kind of proof of concept app. What was true when I was looking at it may not be true now when you are looking at this video today. So make sure that you have some kind of an application that represents your business needs, and then see, does this actually run in this environment? Do I get all the features that I need? And then evaluate whether that provider is the right one for you. Alrighty, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be having some more videos in this series, and we'll learn about the other things that can help you choose a Next.js hosting provider. Cheers. See you later.